please all stand for a prayer? Paula, can you lead the prayer? In the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. Good morning, everyone. How are you today? I am fine too, thank you. Before you take your seats, please arrange your chairs in their proper alignment and pick up those pieces of papers. Are you done? You may now take your seats. So now let's check your attendance. Who is absent today? That's great! Since no one is absent today, let's give ourselves a round of applause. So do we have an assignment? Yes, can you pass your paper here in front? So now let's talk about the classroom rules. So here are the classroom rules that we should follow every day. So our classroom rules is be smart. So S, it means say please and thank you. And M, make friends and be kind. A, always give your best. And R means raise your hands to speak. And T, think before you act. Did you understand? Okay, very good. So before we start, let's review first. So who can draw a square shape here on the board? Yes, Malin? Okay, very good, Malin. Clap your hands to Malin. And how about the triangular pyramid? Who can draw here? Yes, Fry? Great job, Fry! Let's give our hands to Fry! And how about triangular prism? Who can draw a triangular prism here? Yes, Smile? Very good, Smile! Let's give a hands to Smile! And how about the cube? Who can draw a cube shape here on the board? Yes, RJ? Great job, RJ! Let's clap our hands to RJ! So now, let's proceed to our new activity. So all you have to do is draw a line to make the 3D objects or three-dimensional objects to their 2D lookalikes or two-dimensional objects. So these sides are the three-dimensional objects and this side are the two-dimensional objects. And all you have to do is connect to their correct answers. And you have to work in pairs. So are you done? Okay. So we have a situation here. So Simon and Serena are sorting objects according to plane figures and solid figures. So which objects are plane figures and which are the solid figures? Yes, very good. The plane figure are the bill, the paper, the clock, the frame, and the ruler. Very good. And how about the solid figure? Yes, the solid figures are the cube, the party hat, a ball, a can, and a box. So before we begin, let's play a game first. So this game is called Who Am I? So all you have to do is guess the correct answers, and whoever gets the correct answers will receive a prize. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin. So I have 0 sides, I have 0 vertices, I am round. Who am I? Yes, Paula? So I am a circle. Very good, Paula. So here's your reward, Paula. And how about this one? I have 4 sides. My sides are equal and I have 4 vertices. Yes, Kian? So I am a square. Very good, Kian. Here's your reward. And how about this? I have 3 sides. My sides are not always the same and I have 3 vertices. Who am I? Yes, Rocky? So I am a triangle. Very good, Rocky. Here's your reward. And how about this one? I am a solid figure. I have 6 faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges are equal. Who am I? Yes, Fry? So the answer is cube. Very good, Kyle Fry. Here's your reward. So the last one. I am a solid figure. I am round and I have 1 round face. I have a point and 1 round edge. Who am I? Yes, Smile? So I am a cone. Very good, Smile. Here's your reward. So now, class, do you have any idea what was our new lessons today? Very good! So our new lessons is about differentiating solid figures from plain figures. So before we start, let's read the learning objectives. So at the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to differentiate plain figures based on their characteristics, draw examples of plain and solid figures, and construct a model of a solid figure using a paper or available materials. And appreciate the use of shapes by finding and recognizing them in real life objects. So what is a plane figure? So a plane figure are 2-dimensional shapes and they look flat. They can be made of straight lines, curved lines, or both. So the plane figures, so these are the plane figures are the object that is a plane surface. So they can be straight lines or curved lines. So the plane figures have the length, they have a weight, but they have no thickness. So remember that, huh? And how about the solid figures? So the solid figures are the 3-dimensional shapes. So the solid figures are the object that has the length, the weight, they have a volume, and they also have a thickness. So in this situation, the plane figures are the coin, the handkerchief, envelope, sail of a boat, a warning sign. And the solid figures are the ball, wood, party hat, tent, bags, and tin can. So who can give me an example of a plane figure? Yes, Kyla? A notebook. Very good, Kyla. Clap your hands to Kyla. And how about the solid figure? Who can give me an example? Yes, Malin? A refrigerator. Very good, Malin. Clap your hands to Malin. So let's continue. A solid figure that has a whole flat surface is called a polyhedron. Each surface of a polyhedron is a face. The faces are polyhedron meet from an edge, and the edges meet to form a vertex. So the polyhedron has a face, has an edge, and a vertex. So remember that. So these are the examples of a polyhedron. The cube, the rectangular pyramid, the triangular pyramid, the triangular prism and the rectangular prism. So this one is the vertex. This. And this one is the edge. And this one is the face. Very good. So the sphere, cylinder, and cones are not polyhedrons because they have the same curved surfaces. So they also called the not polyhedron because they have curved surfaces like this cylinder, this cone, and this sphere. Because as you can see here, they have a curved surfaces like this and this one. So do you have any questions? Okay, now let's have an activity. So get your notebook and answer this activity. So directions, define the pictures below if it is a plane figure or a solid figure. So write plane figure if the objects are plane and write solid figure if the objects are plane. Are you done? Okay, very good. So now we have a questions. What is the difference between the solid figure and the plane figure? Yes, Malin? Very good. The plane figures have the plane surfaces, and the solid figures are the figures that is thick. Very good. And now let's proceed to our next activity. So here are the instructions. Number 1, look around your house or classroom. Number 2, find 4 objects that are flat shapes, plane figures, and 4 objects that are solid shapes or solid figures. And number 3, draw each object and match it to its shape. Okay, get a 1 whole sheet of papers and write your answer. Are you done? Okay, pass your paper. So before we end our class, I will give you assignment. So this is your assignment. You can write in your notebook or in your paper. Okay, goodbye everyone. Okay, thank you.